In the market for a 2007 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.